out. Play with the 50 rounds and labels you cannot pronounce. Let us your tail fonts.
Oh, what it is, yo? Oh, what's up? Chels Nicole got a new video coming up. What is up, you guys? This is your girl Chels Nicole, and I'm coming at you live on whatever device you watch YouTube on. Before we get into this hair color, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go down and click that subscribe button and the bell so you be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's get into this one. All right, so we're gonna be dyeing my hair again. So the dye that I'm gonna be using is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Hydrating Color Boost. This is a semi-permanent color and I'm going with magenta. I actually picked this up a couple of months ago. I picked up 2 of them, you know, just to make sure I have enough. So it has conditioner in it, so it tells you to go ahead and shampoo your hair. So this is like you color your hair in the conditioning step. Like, that's great, that's great. So yeah, my hair is already washed and ready to color. Ooh, ooh wee. All right, so of course the lighter your hair. Ooh, let me just, my hair look a mess, y'all.
let me just do something about that real quick. Alright, so that look a little better.
Because they don't want your hair to be too wet when you do that. So they tell you to get like the water out. All right. I do have my gloves. So let's put these on. So yeah, I picked these up from my local beauty supply store. I think they were like $4.79 plus tax. I'm not sure, it's been a couple of months since I did it. I did pick up 2 just to be sure. It is 3 fluid ounces, so 2 should be more than enough. So this is what the little tube looks like, and I'm just gonna pour it into my little color thing because I feel like it'll be easier to use the little spatula. So this is what the color looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna do 1 tube at a time. All right. I just put on an old shirt that I don't really care about. I'm not sure if semi-permanent stain, but if it do, we good in the streets, okay? So this is how the color looks. Alright, so we're gonna start in the bag. Of course, it's gonna look, like I said, the lighter the hair, the more vibrant it's going to be. But I am gonna cover my darker roots, even though it's not gonna show up on the roots like that. But we gonna cover them anyway because this got conditioner in it. So we just gonna apply that bad boy. It does say avoid contact with your scalp. So I'm gonna just put it on there and then just ruck it through. Ooh, got the curls pop-a-locking. Pop-a-locking. It's a emergency.
Yeah, I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
I need to go get my little mirror because I'm looking at my big mirror and I'm probably out of the frame. It is getting all over the place. Okay, so one half of my head is done, and I used up nearly the whole tube on this one section of head. I'm excited, you guys. And like, you can definitely tell the conditioning properties of it. Like, look at my curls. Yes. So I'm just gonna put the other tube in there and do the other side. So here it is, all applied to my hair. It says to avoid your scalp, but I did get my scalp right here. I don't know what that's gonna do, you guys, but this is what we working with. Wait. Y'all, I'm excited to see how this comes out. So it does says to put on a plastic cap. I don't know what none of my plastic caps said, but I do know where a plastic bag is, so we're just gonna use that, okay? So I'm gonna just put this on. It says for 15 minutes. I'm gonna probably leave it on for 30. So I do kind of have it on my hands. I'm not sure if it stains. And then on my arms. So it's all over. But I'm gonna leave this on for at least 15 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out, condition my hair, and we're gonna come. Well, should I condition? Well, yeah, I'm gonna still condition my hair again. But I'll come back when all of that is done to show y'all what the color is looking like. I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay, so here's how we're looking. After I got out the shower, I got on the phone with my mama. So yeah, it's quite some time. My hair is starting to dry up. I did not put any product on my hair, so that's how we looking. This is how we looking. This is how my hair looks with no product, you guys. So, you know, get into that texture realness, okay? This what it is when ain't no product on my hair. Y'all, my nails got stained pink. My bathtub looked like a diet murder scene because it ain't red, but magenta is everywhere. I am feeling it. I can't wait to style this hair. Be on the lookout for that. coming soon to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to go down and click that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos, okay? So y'all can see how I end up styling this hair. So like I said, this is a semi-permanent. It comes with conditioning, so it's supposed to be a hydrating color boost. I did not end up putting more conditioner in my hair. My hair feels really good. I do need to put some leave-in and stuff on it though, but my hair feels really good. The color is very vibrant. It's way more vibrant than I thought it would have been with the color that I had up under it, and I like how it turned out, you guys. So it's supposed to last for up to 4 shampoos. So we shall see. So that'll be about a month. I could be what would I call myself, a peakhead? I could be a peakhead for a month, you know. Comment below what y'all feel about this color. I'm really liking it. I feel like it's different and I'm here for it, okay? If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to go down and click that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Thanks for stopping by. You